Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies? Well, Binance has just rolled out an exciting opportunity for beginners like you to learn and earn. That's right, complete the Binance Academy Beginner Track and stand a chance to share in a whopping $9,000 reward pool. Let's break it all down for you. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. First things first, what is the Binance Academy Beginner Track? It's a specially designed learning program tailored for newcomers to the crypto space. Whether you're curious about blockchain technology, how to trade securely, or just want to understand the basics of cryptocurrencies, this track has got you covered. Here's how you can participate and claim your share of the rewards. Sign up or log in to your Binance account. Head over to the Binance Academy and complete the beginner track. Once you've finished, you'll automatically be entered into the reward pool. Sit back and wait. The rewards will be distributed randomly among eligible participants. And here's the best part. The $9,000 reward pool will be shared among lucky learners who complete the track. Imagine getting rewarded just for expanding your crypto knowledge. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on the basics, this is your chance to learn and earn at the same time. But don't wait too long. This special offer is only available for a limited time. Make sure to complete the beginner track before the campaign ends to secure your spot in the reward pool. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Binance Academy, complete the beginner track, and take your first step into the exciting world of crypto. Who knows? You might just walk away with a share of $9,000. Happy learning and good luck. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Inehub YouTube channel for more updates on crypto opportunities like this one. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.